Ange from TacToys, Australia's leading gel blaster specialists, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you guys an essential item to have with your gel blaster, the speed loader. The speed loader holds all your hydrated gel balls and features a nozzle on the top which fits perfectly into the entrance door of your magazine. Without a speed loader you would have to use a standard bottle or your hands, which is messy and will cost you money due to the waste. Now just a quick tip, in store here at TacToys we drill holes at the bottom of our speed loaders. So when you fill your speed loader from your growing bottle, the water is drained and the speed loader is filled with ready to use gel balls at the same time. This will save you a lot of time and will make things way easier. The speed loader is only $10 and you can purchase it on our website. To view our full range of products, head to tactoys.com.au. This is Ange from TacToys. Happy blasting!